Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Hydra Splatling in Splatoon 3. This powerful weapon excels at long distances, so always prioritize keeping your distance from enemies. A full charge is crucial for its maximum damage and range, so get comfortable with the charge time. Head to the training room to practice your aiming and movement while charging. Understanding its basic mechanics is your first step to dominating the battlefield. Effective positioning is key for the Hydra Splatling. Seek out elevated spots that offer a clear view of the action, allowing you to cover large areas. Your impressive range lets you control vital map zones, denying enemies access. Always be vigilant for opponents trying to flank you. Deploy your special weapons strategically to either initiate a strong push or defend crucial objectives from advancing foes. When engaging, always try to have a charge ready before an enemy comes into view. Your role is to support your teammates by providing consistent pressure from a safe distance. Use your communication tools to alert your team to enemy locations or incoming threats. If you find yourself outnumbered or out of position, don't hesitate to retreat and reposition. Staying alive is crucial for maintaining map presence. For more advanced play, master the art of tap firing for quick, short bursts when a full charge isn't necessary. Be aware that your shots will experience some damage fall-off at the absolute maximum range. Experiment with various gear abilities like run speed up or ink resistance up to find what best suits your playstyle. Consistent practice in both the training room and actual matches will significantly improve your aiming and timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.